Writing a news article can seem challenging, but with the right approach, you can craft a piece that grabs attention and communicates essential information clearly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of writing a compelling news article, step by step, from the headline to the final edits. You'll also find examples at each stage to help guide you through the process. Whether you're writing for a school paper or competing in a news writing contest, this guide will give you the tools you need to succeed. Step 1. Research thoroughly. Before you write, gather all the facts. Verify your information and ensure your sources are credible. If you're covering a local event, attend in person, or if you're writing about an issue, make sure you've consulted primary sources or reliable publications. Example: if you're covering a debate competition, interview the winning team, the judges, or the coach. Research the topics debated and the background of the teams involved. Step 2. Develop a strong headline. A good headline grabs attention and summarizes the article in a few words. It should entice the reader to continue reading while giving them a clear idea of the topic. Example: if your article is about a debate team's win, a strong headline could be Central High debate team wins national championship or * victory for Central High as debate team claims national title. Step 3. Write the lead paragraph. The lead paragraph is where you hook the reader. It should be short, concise, and answer the most important questions of the story: who, what, when, where, why, and how. In 1 to 2 sentences, you should communicate the core of the news. Example: on Saturday, Central High School's debate team won the national championship, defeating Northside High after an intense final round on education reform at the University of Toronto. Step 4. Use the inverted pyramid structure. Organize your article with the most important facts at the top, followed by supporting details. The reader should be able to get the key points just by reading the first few paragraphs. Example: 1. Central High School's debate team won the national championship on Saturday. 2. The team debated Northside High on the topic of education reform. 3. Central High's lead debater, Sarah Thompson, won Best Speaker honors. 4. The judges praised the team's research and delivery skills. 5. The debate was part of a weekend-long tournament featuring 32 teams from across the country. Step 5. Keep paragraphs short. News writing is all about simplicity and clarity. Each paragraph should contain just one idea or fact. Avoid long blocks of text to make the article easier to read and follow. Example: Sarah Thompson, Central High's lead debater, played a crucial role in the win, earning the Best Speaker Award for her articulate arguments on the need for reform in public education. Step 6. Include quotes for credibility. Quotes make your article more personal and credible. Include direct quotes from people involved in the story, whether they are participants, judges, or coaches. Example: "We've worked incredibly hard to prepare for this competition," said Sarah Thompson, lead debater for Central High. "Winning the national title is a dream come true for our team." Step 7. Maintain an objective tone. In news writing, objectivity is essential. Present the facts without adding personal opinions or biased language. Let the facts and quotes tell the story. Example: instead of "Central High was clearly superior to Northside High in every way," write, "Central High's team showcased stronger research and argumentation, according to feedback from the judges." Step 8. Transition smoothly between ideas. To keep your article coherent and easy to follow, use transitions between paragraphs to guide the reader from one point to the next. Example: while Central High shone in the final round, the competition was fierce throughout the weekend. In earlier rounds, they narrowly defeated last year's champions, Westview Academy, in a debate on climate policy. Step 9. Add background or least important details at the end. Instead of ending with a strong conclusion, a news article should close with less critical information. This could be background details on the event, organization, or individuals involved, or any other related but non-essential information. By using the inverted pyramid structure, you ensure that the most important details are at the top, and the least crucial ones come at the end. Example: the National Debate Championship is part of an annual event hosted by the National Debate Association, which draws teams from across the country. Central High School has been competing in the